Good day, family. Today we are going to make Savory Black beans with a chicken gizzard. As you can see, we have all our ingredients here. Our black beans, as you can see, they are very dark but nice. We have our gizzard. We bought 2 trays of gizzard, as you can see, the fresh one. The carrots. Here we can see we have our black peppers. It's nice when we spice it in our food. We have white peppers. We have spring onion, as you can see. We have all our pepper ingredients already. We're gonna start now to clean our beans, and then we cleanse our gizzard. This is already clean, as you can see. I'm going to the black pepper mixed together in our gizzard. Depend also on any ingredient you want to add. I will cover our green pepper. I will add some of baby on top. If you have the nutmeg, you can put also the nutmeg. Soft already, and in the pots I mix our green pepper, yellow and red onion together with garlic. I put some oil. When you put oil, you start to fry it. Fry it with a lower heat. You start frying the onion. My carrots, I peel it, I cut. They are onion and our spring onion and our garlic is there. As you can see, our 3 colors peppers. After cutting it, we mix it. The juice you're seeing there, it's coming out of the gizzard. The heat must be low. You start frying, and this is our carrots. After cutting your carrots, you now add it on the gizzard with the peppers you put, the onion. And then you put in, as you can see, so you put it in. pepper, yellow, red, spring onion together. You can put Benny or you can put other ingredients of your choice. This side you can see we still have some water from the gizzard. With the butter we put, we start to fry it. One of the different way to make gizzard, instead of us just frying, the normal one, you can make it like that. It's a nice one, as you can see. I'll add also bay leaves inside for some aroma and spice taste. Now, after our tomato sauce ready, I will add now the beans. And mix together. As you can see, a lower heat for the beans not to be burned. Yes, I will leave it there. Meantime, you can see our carrots becoming soft. We start frying together inside. You can see the soup. It's there. Very nice. Just fry it together. You can see the color, it was very dark, but with the tomato, the green pepper, yellow and red pepper, you can see the colors. You can see how it's sparkling and very nice. It's ready, our beans is ready. You can see. Alright. And this side also. Everything is ready. I will dish. As you can see, the gizzard is ready. You can eat it if you have a potato, sweet potato, or you have rice. No rice with beans, and you put this one on top. It's very, very nice. You enjoy your food. You appreciate, beans. It's very healthy. You can eat it with anything, plantain,